Umutinang ba ka jalaw rai thu ba kalaran ka jingkiu kiba wan shim injek ïada COVID-19. Ulong ba hadu menta kat kum ka jingkhen kidon shipholak tam kibla shim ya ka injek ïada COVID-19 ha kawat ka baningkong. Lada khain lang bat kibala injek ïada COVID-19 ha kawat ka baar kila poi chaka khatsan lang ud kibriu.
The COVID situation is better than before, and we are seeing that there has been continuous decline in the numbers. Of course, once in a while we do see some spikes, but more or less we're seeing a trend that is showing that the numbers are going down. We are also seeing the trend of the people who we are losing also going down. But yet, it is not a situation where we can completely be relaxed and take things for granted. So obviously, we have to be very, very careful. We have to be alert. We have to follow the protocols, and definitely we have to go for vaccination. So all these things will have to be done. But yes, to some extent, we are seeing that things are slightly better than what they were a few months back. So let us see and let us watch. But I would urge everybody, especially those who are not vaccinated, that we have seen a number of proofs that vaccination does help, and therefore it is advisable that all our citizens must get vaccinated at the earliest. So we have the first plus dose plus second dose, approximately 13 to 14 lakhs people have, 13 to 14 lakh doses have been given. Yeah, so we have 10 lakh 46,690 who have taken the first dose, and 3 lakh 59,000, so as I mentioned, 13 to 14 lakhs who have taken the second dose. So so we have administered 14 lakh doses till now.